Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? It is Jay-Z from iHeartRadio, Wow 104. Los encontramos at Beach Waterpark, SPI. So our first segment, we're super excited. We have lots of surprises and giveaways. We're going to be doing a little bit of Soaring Eagle. We've got lots of great things happening today. And most of all, we'll be talking to Shane Willson from Fishing's Future. And he's going to give us more details about the organization and whatnot. So that being said, as you enjoy the Tuesday, enjoying the beach park, enjoy your day today as we kick everything off. It's all happening right here. So we're going to walk around. We're going to enjoy the day. Hopefully have some carnita and spend some quality time with the family, because that's what it's all about, being with your kids and having a great time here at Beach Waterpark. So would love for you to come out here if you're in the area. This is where the action is going to be happening. We're going to have the giveaways, some fishing rods. We're going to give a family 4-pack for Beach Waterpark. So we got everything happening so much. Pretty exciting day today, and we hope you get to enjoy it as much as we do. So that being said, again, bienvenidos. First time, we're excited to be a part of this, and here with the children there, everybody's just walking around enjoying the breeze. You feel it feels fantastic right now. So that being said, I'm telling you, it's all happening right here. Amigos, what's going on? It is Jay-Z right here at the Beach Waterpark, South Padre Island. Now, I don't know if I should be nervous, scared, or excited, but I have the main guy that runs the attraction. Joshua, tell us a little bit more about what I'm fixing to get myself into.
Well, as you guys know, this is the Soaring Eagle. You know, it's only about 11, 13 stories tall. You know, it's not that tall.
Okay.
And it only comes back about 30 miles an hour. But the view is amazing. I mean, you can see the beach. You can see SpaceX.
Ooh,
you can see the causeway. It's an amazing view up there.
So what do you say? Should we try it or what?
I think we should try it out.
I think we should too. Let's go.
All right. All right. So this is Evelyn, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Evan.
Operators
How are
here.
you?
She'll be the one strapping us in as we go up here.
All right. The
Excited?
real deal. Yeah, I'm excited.
So as you can see, there is 2 straps.
Okay.
Evelyn's gonna go ahead and strap in the red one first.
No turning back now.
Yeah, it's a little too late for that one. Feeling secure?
I am. I'm ready.
Safety's always first. Oh boy. Any last words?
Let's do it. All right, so this would be the moment of truth.
Yeah. So going backwards always feels a lot worse than coming back.
You know what? I'm gonna have to say that I'm gonna agree.
Super nice view up here.
Look at that, man. What a gorgeous view.
Here.
I can see SpaceX. Oh my God.
Look, you can even see all the people down there.
Yeah, it looks real cool.
Yeah.
Trying to be real cool right now.
Look, there's the highway over
Okay,
there. The new construction as well.
Oh my Lord. Okay, here we go. Okay, and this is where I grab onto the other side, because I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to yell, but I'm not. It's okay, guys. This is pretty cool. Yeah, we're up here. Ooh. Okay, yeah, there we go. Man, it looks beautiful though.
Oh, of course.
Woo! Look at that. Okay, I can kind of wave my hand a little bit, and then just kind of hold back, because it doesn't seem like we're gonna stop.
Coming back.
But we are gonna stop. There we go. Oh! Yes. And that is the Soaring Eagle, guys. So don't forget, the next time you're here at Beach Waterpark, ask for Joshua. He'll take care of you.
Of course. I'm more than happy to help you all.
It's been fun, guys. Till next time. Was that not amazing? Now, that's one of the attractions, of one of the many attractions that they have here at Beach Waterpark, South Padre Island. And like we were talking to you a little bit a while ago about the giveaways and interviews and all the special guests that we're going to have. We're going to be doing this on a weekly segment. So at this time, I want to invite my friend Shane Willson here from Fishing's Future.
Hi, Jay-Z.
Shane, it is a pleasure to be here with you, and tell us a little bit more about your organization.
Well, Fishing's Future, Jay-Z, is a non-profit organization. We started here on South Padre Island. Fishing's Future is a non-profit organization that started here on the island. Started in 2007. We're now in 22 states, 67 chapters, and we do nothing but teach parents and children how to fish. Now, we do it as a family unit. We don't do the kids, we do the parents with the children, in hopes that they can pick up a new hobby and learn how to spend time with their parents out in nature and catch some fish and maybe even catch the dinner.
Definitely. And, you know, what I like about your organization is, we were talking about this off camera, you know, a lot of us simply go to the iPad and you kind of lose that disconnection. And this organization, your organization, is helping kids come together with parents. Is there a way we could get a hold of you if the parents are interested and wanted to learn? Is there a charge or anything like that?
Well, it's very easy to get and find us. We're fishingsfuture.org on a website. You can Google it. We're on Facebook, X, Instagram. I think pretty much every social media page you can find us if you just go with Fishing's Future. We don't charge. We run off sponsorships, grants, and donations. The thing that we do that we pride ourselves on is we teach parents, you know, how to spend time with their children. If they would spend more time with their children, I think we would eliminate a lot of the bad decisions that kids make.
Absolutely. And that's where you come to play and making that bond, making those memories. I know we have a lot of great things happening today with your organization. We're going to give away some reels, right? And some tackle boxes and whatnot.
We're going to give away some rod and reel combos to a select few. I've got a 20% gift card here, coupon for Academy Sports and Outdoors. It's good for this weekend only. And that's on anything from golf balls, beach towels to sunscreen. So they're a sponsor, they help. But right now I think we need to get these kids in here and teach them a little bit about fishing, show them what it's like.
And I'll probably learn something new today as well. So let's walk this way, Shane. And I'm gonna come down here, and I want to bring the kids here.
Yeah, let's bring these kids in here.
Let's go this way. Let's bring them in. Come on in, guys.
Boys and girls,
follow us. So as we walk this way, you know, like I said,
let's go.
We have the giveaways, we have the family 4-packs. You know, it's just a great atmosphere here at Beach Waterpark. We got the kiddos here. Shane's going to come out and teach us a little bit of how to cast, how to, and we're going to give away all the reels as well. So Shane, I'll take the mic here.
All
you
right,
just kind of guide me and tell me what's going on here.
I want the boys and girls. I have 2 different rods and reels. Bring me that rod and bring me this one right here. Boys and girls, step up in here real quick. I just need the rod. Now, be careful. I have 2 different styles here. I have a spin cast, which comes like this. This is probably one of the easiest rods and reels to learn. It's what I started out on when I learned how to fish. And after a while, you can advance to a spinning. This is a spinning reel. The difference between these rods and reel combos is a spinning rod has a large eye right here. A spin cast has a small eye. So you need to understand that these are probably pretty much beginners for age. I'm going to say 6 and under. If you're 7, 8, 9 and you fish before, you want to go with the spinning. So I'm going to show you how to cast this. Boys and girls, if you want to see, this is how you do it. You grab this right here with your finger. Grab it, and this reel goes on top. So make sure that your finger, there you go, honey. Grab it up here, help her. Turn your reel around. There you go, grab it, help him. There it is. I'm using your rod, so good. Here, turn this, the reel goes on top. There it is. Now I've got it just like this. Now I press this button. Look right here, I press this button. And then it's like a fly swatter, and I just go, and when I do it, I let my thumb go, and the bait goes out. I'm going to reel it up. I'm going to show you again. Watch my hands right here. I hold it just like this. I take my thumb, I press on the button. I use it like a fly swatter, like you're going to swat a fly. When I throw it, I move my thumb, and my bait goes out. Once I move my thumb right here, then I just go ahead and I start reeling it back up. On this one right here, for the older boys and girls, you hold this with the reel underneath. This line, I hold it with my fingers right here, just like this. I hold it. I take this and I grab my line with my index finger. See that? I grab my line with my index finger, I open the bail, then when I go to throw it, I do the same thing. It's like a fly swatter, but I move my finger. When I move my finger, my bait goes out. Then you just flip that over and start reeling, and it reels back in again. You hold it right here. You grab your finger, your fishing line with this finger right here. You open your bail. Now I'm ready to cast. Let's go over here and see what we can do. Do you understand that, young man? Okay, you go ahead here. And you get down there, and we're just gonna go, boys and girls, walk over here. Come here, youngin'. Everybody come up here. Come up here, don't be shy. And we're gonna cast in the water. So what we're gonna do is we're right here. I'm gonna grip that, press my button, nice and easy, and then you go and you move your thumb. And there it went way out in the water. You're gonna grab your rod like this. You're gonna start reeling up, and you can reel up, and look, you might catch somebody out there playing in the water. All right, let's everybody go ahead and try it. There you go, now do it on your own. Get ready. Press it like this, just like this.
You having fun?
There you go.
Yeah.
Nice. Everybody do it on your own. Now reel. You're good job, young fella. Good. Try it, honey. There you go. You're left-handed. There. Now start reeling. You guys do it on your own. Keep reeling. There you go. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Don't press the button. There you go. Go ahead, sweetheart. Try it. Nice. Nice. Now take this hand. Reach it right.
And just to let
reel it
you
up.
know that's viewing, we're not
And
using
try as
actual
well.
hooks. We're just,
You need to be careful.
this is all for demonstration. So nobody is going to get hurt.
You want it right there.
And we're talking to Fishing's Future right now. That's Shane Willson, CEO, president of the organization. And it's a great experience, you know, because you get to see the kids learn.
Nice job.
And
Nice. Nice.
they get with their mom and dad. And
Nice.
how are we doing, Shane? Everybody's learning
Are
well?
you doing okay? Good. Are you doing okay? You catching anybody yet? Okay. Well, these rods and reels belong to you, boys and girls. We'll give your parents some tackle boxes, and you guys keep fishing.
There we go. Well, and like I said, and this is a great thing, Shane. You seeing the kids, interact and some of them are doing it for the first time.
Yeah, look at them over there. I love it. I dearly love it. Now, if their parents would learn this too at the same time, and they would take them fishing, they can do this. The nice thing about it, anything that they catch down here on South Padre Island, they can take those fish to any restaurant, and I mean any and all, even right here at the Beach Waterpark.
They'll cook it for
and
you.
they'll cook fresh fish right there, and they can eat it. So what a beautiful day. You swim in the beachfront or the Beach Water Park first, then you take it to a restaurant, you go fishing, you eat. What a great weekend on South Padre Island.
Shane, it has been an honor and a pleasure talking to you today, and look forward to seeing you many more times here at the island, here at Beach Waterpark as well.
I missed the shower.
There you go.
I appreciate it, Jay-Z. Thank you, and tune in. We'll see you again. Look for the Academy Sports and Outdoors coupon on the Beach Waterpark Facebook page. Download it, share it with your friends. That's good for this weekend only. Jay-Z, it's truly an honor again.
Thank you, sir.
I got to go back here and see if these kids are catching any fish. All right,
I'll
I'm
take
out of
over
here.
So as you saw with Shane Wilson from Fishing's Future, guys, what a great experience. And be prepared, we're going to be doing this every single week, different segments, more interviews. And that being said, before we wrap everything up, I got a nice little surprise for you guys. We want to give away a family 4-pack for Beach Waterpark. And I think we're going to do this. If you leave a comment right now, we're going to leave it for about 15-20 seconds. Leave that comment there. We'll choose a winner, and you'll be lucky to come over here and get yourself some Beach Waterpark tickets.
Use the hashtag Beach Waterpark TX.
That's right. Don't forget, use hashtag Beach Waterpark TX. That's hashtag Beach Waterpark TX. We're waiting for our winner. We're going to do a random winner. So that being said, guys, thank you all so much for watching. We appreciate you. Make sure and like and share. And don't forget to come and visit us all entire summer long. We'll be here at Beach Waterpark at South Padre Island with your VIP access rolling right to South Padre Island. You've got the Soaring Eagle, the rides, the tubes, everything happening here. Hopefully having a wonderful time. Thank you once again for watching us and making us part of your beautiful day. It is a Tuesday. It's a hot one, but you can keep yourself nice and cool here at Beach Waterpark. They have some nice refreshments. I saw some enchiladas. I saw, ices and ice cream and water, and the whole works right here. So enjoy it. I hope you have a great time with us. We'll see you again next week right here from Beach Waterpark, South Padre Island.
We have a winner.
Oh, we got a winner. Brittany Ramirez, family 4-pack. Congratulations. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you then.